Hello viewers, welcome to Survey Payouts. This is a channel where I tend to teach people how to make money online from online surveys and easy sources. This video I'm going to show you how you can change your phone IP for those who have been experiencing ban from surveys. Now sometimes you experience that when you create an account on a particular survey, maybe a top survey or any other surveys, immediately you create your account, you begin to receive disqualifications and probably you get banned. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your phone ID. If you are using an Android phone, if you are using an iOS phone, and also if you are using a laptop, you can as well change your ID. And when you change your ID, you'll be able to create a fresh account and you'll be able to work without getting banned. Alright, so this method have worked for me and for others. So right in this video, I will encourage you to watch to the end. If it's just simple steps, okay. So in this video, I will be showing how to change ID for Android phones. So I also have a WhatsApp group, a community where I share updates like this and also updates on how to make money online. In the description of my YouTube channel, you'll find the WhatsApp community link. So I'll be sharing the method or steps on how to change ID for Android phones. So if you are using iOS or if you are using a laptop, do well to comment in the comment section and let me know so that I can as well forward the methods or steps for changing IP, your address, your ID on iOS and also on the laptop. So note this video is for Android, okay, though I have the method steps for iOS and also for laptop. Okay, so these are the steps. Now if you are using an Android phone, what you do first is this: you are going to click on settings. You're going to click on settings on your phone and the setting will bring you to this interface. So when you get to this interface, you come to Google. You come to Google here and you click on services and preferences. Okay, so when I click on services and preferences, you can just click on all services, which is here. So as you click on all services, the next step is you come to ads. And then you click on ads. So when you get to this part, you just need to click on reset advertising ID. So this generates a new advertising ID that apps can use from now. Okay, that these apps can use from now. So if you delete your ID, which is this one, then apps can no longer use this advertising ID, that is your phone ID. You can not longer use them. Okay, so but the best thing to do is to click on reset advertising ID. So if I click on reset advertising ID, this replaces the device ID with a new random number. Apps can still show you ads, right? But for a while, they may not be as relevant or interesting to you. So when you're here, you can just click on confirm. You can click on confirm over here, and then you are good to go. You have a new ID, a new IP, and then you can go ahead to create your account on any survey platform. Okay, when you do this, these are to change your IP, your ID also on your Android phone. That will help you gain access to more surveys. That will help you escape being banned on surveys, on different survey sites. If you are new to my channel, do well to like my video, subscribe to my channel. If you have concerns or you have if this video is relevant to you, you can also comment in the comment section. If you are using an iOS or a laptop and you need to change your ID also, you can comment in the comment section, or probably you can still join my WhatsApp community using the WhatsApp community link on the description of my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, do well to share this video. New subscribers can as well share this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this and more videos on how to make money online. See you in the next phase